You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from experts. I'm Jessie Wong. First, US dollar. The dollar began Tuesday trading in the range after better-than-expected Chinese data boosted global risk appetite, but it ended the day stronger after Eurozone's debt problem came back into focus, increasing demands for the safe havens bug. The greenback ended the day at 1.2058 to the euro and 78.18 to the yen. Data out today includes the new home sales, which are expected to show an increase of 2K in June. Next to the euro. The euro continued to sell off on Tuesday, although not as heavily as on the previous day, but better than expected Chinese data boosted risk appetite. Later the day, the euro came under renewed pressure. However, after Spanish borrowing costs soared and the Germany suffered a credit ratings downgrade. The single currency ended the day at 94.29 to the yen and 0.7778 to the pound. The German's IFO sentiment survey headlines today's economy's calendar. British pound. Sterling rallied on Tuesday after the euro and dollar weakens because of the lower than expected manufacturing data. The pound ended the day at 1.5505 to the dollar and 121.21 to the yen. Today we'll see the release of the long-anticipated second quarter gross domestic price figures, which are expected to fall by negative 0.2%. Japanese yen. The yen strengthened on Tuesday after European crisis fears continued to erode investor sentiments, and the yen was sought after a safe havens investment. Even against the dollar, the yen rose as Americans' manufacturing data show a slowdown in July. The Japanese currency ended the day at 78.18 to the dollar and 94.29 to the euro. And now the section you've been waiting for, Markets Tips. Forex for You in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provide you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.214 with 1.2035 and 1.2 inside. The downside illustrations of 1.2014, which will call for 1.2018 and 1.2215. If you trade British pounds against US dollar, our preference is to open short positions at 1.554 with 1.548 and 1.5445 as next targets. The upside penetrations of 1.555, which will call for rebounds toward 1.558 and 1.561. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions at 78.35 with 77.9 and 77.75 inside. The upside penetrations of 78.45, which will call for rebounds towards 78.65 and 78.8. Good luck and happy tradings. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Jessie Wong and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a good day.